Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. We, YouTube, are taking the long walk from the house. Taking the long walk from the house to the shooting range. To the shooting range. Deer. Mainly for archery. But I guess you can still shoot it. But I guess you can still shoot it. Target. Target. Shorter target without a target. Shorter target without a target. Shortest, and then slightly longer. Shortest, and then so slightly longer. I figure. So this is a good distance from here. This is a good distance from here. Back here so you can see what it looks like. Get out right back here so you can see what it looks like. Rifle off, so we don't bang it. Rifle off, so we don't bang it. So basically, that's what we're looking at. Can we swap the camera around? That's what we're looking at. No. Can we swap the camera around? How come that doesn't work? No. Anyway. How come that doesn't work? Stupid Android. Alright, first shot. Can you see through that? Alright, first shot. That'd be cool. Can you see through that? That'd be cool. Something like that. Red crosshairs. And yeah, it will do the red crosshairs. And yeah, it does that. It's a pretty good little jarring forward and to the side. Forward and to the side. That's just the way this pellet rifle is. That's just the way this pellet rifle is. The piston has that slams forward, something like that. That slams forward. All right, let's go take a look. First shot. Did we actually first shot? The paper. I need to get some splatter paper. I need to get some splatter paper. We think we aimed. Let me hit here, X. So we're probably an inch high and maybe a third of an inch to the left. Third of an inch. Let's go adjust. Alright, I decided to take a second shot since the first shot had been cocked and stored for weeks, months, I don't know how long. Weeks since the last time I shot it. Could have been days. Definitely took some shots last week. Oh, look. Definitely took some shots last week. Oh, look. Huh. Let's shoot a couple more and see if we can get. Maybe we need to zoom in a little more. We need to zoom in a little more. 3. Let's go. 3. Okay. We zoomed in. Let's go. Okay. We zoomed in. 16, I think. Maybe 9. If I glass it, I'll tell you. Suck's getting old. You can't see numbers. Suck's getting old. You can't see numbers. Who's old? I ain't old. You only old as you feel. Today I don't feel old. Yesterday I felt old. Yesterday I felt old. Today. Okay. Here we go. Ain't too bad. Here we go. Alright, first one high, second one low, then I got a nice one high, second one low, then I got a nice one. I think basically the difference was I changed my hold and zoomed in further. So not bad. I think we can kill a squirrel with that. No adjustments required because it went slightly right, slightly left, slightly right, slightly high and low. You know, high and low. Zoomed in and got more steady. We'll say definite outlier. We zoomed out and that was the one that I didn't know how long it was cocked for, and so that there may be some air seepage. This one here, air seepage, is definitely still zoomed out. These 3 I zoomed in on. So that's my good group. Maybe it's slightly higher. So it all depends on how far you are, right? So it all depends on how far you are, right? Aim half an inch high. Maybe a quarter. Maybe a quarter. Aim for his shoulder blade. And then get him right in the kill zone. Heart shot. Lung shot. Heart shot. Hits a vital. Lung shot. Or aim for the head
vital.
if you stand straight up.
Or aim for the head.
It might drop.
Stand straight up.
It might go high.
It might drop.
It might not.
High. It might not.
Bella's on the lookout for anything that moves and smells.
Anything that moves.
Either an armadillo, possum. Possums don't really come out during the day. You might see an armadillo come out during the day. You might see an
She may also
armadillo.
find a rabbit, or she may just be on the scent of something she may get through there last night. But she's having fun.
Tyler just came out to check on me. Tyler just came out.
He said, "You look cold."
I said, "No, I feel warm."
cold.
I said, "You look cold." I said, "You look cold." So when Tyler came out, he was in a short sleeve shirt. He did have jeans on. He did have jeans on. Barefoot. So barefoot and short sleeves. He didn't stay out long. Barefoot and short sleeves. He didn't stay outside. As you can tell. He gone. He's back inside. All right. He gone. Back to hunt. All right. Back to hunt. Usually, squirrels will come in this direction from the front of the house, coming across here, coming across here, and then they love to go to the, what's that called? Treehouse. What's that called? And then go across this way, those limbs above the bees, and across the. Anyway, through there. Sometimes they go straight back that way. Through there. Sometimes they come in, go straight back that way. Sometimes they. I mean, they really could come straight back that direction. I mean, they really could come in from any direction.
Oh shit! There's a squirrel. Right across the top rail fence now. All right, I'll see if I can get him. Come and see if I can get him. We'll get a good shot. We'll take nice pictures. Take nice pictures. You know, before we eat it. No, shoot, he's going the wrong way. Turn around, squirrel. Come back. Going the wrong way. Oh, there's another one. Turn around, squirrel. Come back. That branch are definitely moving. Yep. It's heating up. Squirrel down. Bird off in the distance. Way over there. Oh, there he goes. He's fine. He's fine. You might see it. You may not see it. You might see it. You may not see it.
Alright, check behind us. House looks good. No squirrels on the house that I can tell. Alright, come over here. Take a look. See if these squirrels are coming in. Probably 10-15 minutes. They'll be here. Probably 10-15 minutes. Adios. Here's an update. Squirrel. Here's an update. On that squirrel. Squirrel. Gets hit by pellet. Flying through air. Squirrel flying through air. Squirrel goes somewhere behind there. And I said, Bella, go find it. Go get it. And then she came right back. Go find it. She didn't get it. And she came right back. I said, Bella, go get it. I said, Bella, go get it. She's still looking. Stay tuned. All right, stay tuned. Funny reenactment. All right, scroll up there. Funny reenactment. Pew! Scroll up there. Pew! Scroll down. Bella, squirrel, go get it. Scroll down. Go get it, girl. Bella, squirrel, go get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Go get it, girl. Get it. Bring it here. Get it. Make it easy on me, girl. I don't want it to go down in there. Make it easy on me, girl. I still got my house shoes on. I still got my. Yep, bring it here. Let's go. Bring it up here. Yep, bring it here. Get it. Bring it here. Let's go. Get it, girl. Bring it here. Get it. Bring it here. Bella, retrieve. Bring it here. You're a retriever, girl. You're half retriever. You're a retriever, girl. Half golden. Half retriever. All golden? Half retriever. Half golden. Yeah, all golden. All golden? Come on. Bring it here. Half retriever. No, get the squirrel. Bring it here. Bella, squirrel. No, get the squirrel.
Bella, squirrel.
Bella.
No. Bella, squirrel.
Bella, the squirrel's right here, girl. Bella, the squirrel's right here, girl. Bella, bring it here.
You want another one.
Go get it. Bring it here. Bring it here.
Well,
go get it. Bring it here.
I don't think she's going to do it. I don't think she's going to
do it.
Not going to do it. Oh, here's the coming again.
Get the squirrel, Bella. Find the squirrel, Bella. Find it. Find it, Bella. Find the squirrel, Bella. Bring it here, girl. Find it, Bella.
Yeah, she's
bring it here, girl.
She's trying to. She's on another one.
Was it?
Actually, two, I think.
Bella, get the squirrel. Bring it here. Bella, where's the squirrel? Bring it here. Bella, squirrel. Bella, where's the squirrel? Bella, squirrel. Where's the squirrel? Alright, let's
Spell
go.
the squirrel. Where's the squirrel?
Bella, we did it. We got a squirrel. Bella, we did it. We got a squirrel.
Scroll down.
Woohoo.
Good job, Bella. Scroll down.
We did it.
Good job, Bella.
Mission accomplished. We did it. She got one paw.
Mission
Got a little blood on your paw, girl.
She got one.
Yeah. Got a little blood on your paw, girl. Okay.
Something later.
Not to be gory.
Okay.
But not to be
Kill
gory.
shot.
Definitely got him.
Where we?
Definitely got
Wanted
it.
it.
We're aiming. Chest.
Wanted it.
Chest shot. Chest.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. That's one.